Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your photo into a dramatic movie style portrait with rich lighting, depth and cinematic flair. All using Google Gemini Nano Banana tool. It's super quick, super easy and the result looks like they came straight out of a Hollywood poster. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini and then log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on Create Image, or you can also go to Tools icon and then create images like this. This is the newest feature from Google that lets you instantly edit or completely restyle your images just by typing in a prompt. No complicated editing required. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. For example like this. Next it's time to write your prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt or just feel free to adjust it to match your own styles. And the more detailed your descriptions, the better the cinematic effect will look. I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just like that, Nano Banana will transform your photo into a stunning cinematic portrait like this. It only takes a few moments and you will instantly see your picture with dramatic lighting and a Hollywood vibe like this. Honestly, I'm impressed by how powerful this tool is, and the best part, you don't need to be a professional editor to achieve this look. And okay, that's it. Super simple, right? Now it's your turn to try creating your own cinematic portrait. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.